1 hour and 10 minutes.
1 hour, 10 minutes.
10. 10:30 start.
Again, it will go to matches. Huh? Today again will go to again. Om Gana Tiran Rasya Gananjanam Salakayam Chukchurvedam Jeno Tasmai Sri Guravi Guravi Guru Chandraya Radhika Vitadari Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय। ओं वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So translate, simultaneously translate the word. So first of all, for my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silabaman Vishya Maharaj, and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satamad Bhakti Vedanta Silabaman Vishya Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satamad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gaurabanda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhar Siddhar Goswami, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So tomorrow will be celebrate Vyasa Puja. Then Guru Puja's one name is called also Vyasa Puja. Yesterday I told Vyasa Puja Paddhati, what is the process of Vyasa Puja Paddhati? Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada and collected one article from Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. That is called Vyasa Puja पद्धति, पद्धति माने प्रोसेस। श्री गणेशाय नमः, श्री रामचंद्राय नमः, श्री गुरुभ्ये नमः। अथ श्री व्यास पूजा पद्धति लिखते। यदि व्यास पूजा और गुरु पूजा in Ashadi Purnima, when we are doing Chaturmas, in the beginning of the Chaturmas Vrat, in that Purnima, we also start, that is called Vyasa Puja. Krishna Dev and Vedavyas, and who is the origin, Vyasadeva. नमो ब्रह्मण्यो देवाय गो ब्रह्मण्यो हिताय च जगद्धिताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। So, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, seventh Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur manifested how we will worship Vyasadeva. Yesterday I told Gurudev's Avirbhav Tithi appearance day, that is called Guru Puja or Vyasa Puja. So for this regard, Sanskrit word is Vyasa Puja is Namantar Guru Puja. Namantar understand, another name. Vyasa Puja or Guru Puja. Because Shastra says, Pathamantu Guru Pujyam Tataschaiva Mama Archana. Krishna says, first you have to worship the lotus feet of your Guru, then you worship me. Annatha Nispala Bhavit, otherwise you will not get any fruits. So, all our scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere, glorify first worship lotus feet of Guru. Guru. Yesterday we also discussed what do you mean one word. We discussed what do you mean called puja. Puja means to worship. And the two syllables is there, not the pu or ja. Puja. Who means that is called fulfill all his desires. Jayate sarva ichha. That is called puja. How to fulfill all the desires of Guru? So two kinds of puja we also explain. One is called formality and anushthanik, anushthan understand? That is called offering flowers, decoration, and do kirtan. All these actual formality. Another is called Abhantari, meaning internal, how to worship to Guru. How to worship Guru with our internal heart, with our body, mind and speech. Guru, that is called Kaya Mana Bhakka Seva. With our body, mind and speech. But Kaya and speech, that means with our body and speech, Uttam and Kanishta and Madhyam can do. Our Manasik Seva, this is depend on Uttam Adhikari, qualified person. That is called Smaranam, Lila Smaran, this types of service. That is called Sanskrit word, that is called Manasik Seva in our mind. Ashtakali Lila Seva also is there. Shastra explain this way. How to serve different people, Radha and Krishna, and 8 jams. That is called Ashtakaliya Seva. And another is called physically and Kaik Seva, and with our Kaik or bodies at the Guru Pad. And the Kaik Seva. Vachik Seva, glorify his pastimes. Well, that is called Vachik Seva. Or Manasik Seva, remembering his given pastime. Well, mainly Vyas Puja or Guru Puja, that is called in the month of Ashad. In that the Purnima Tithi, after Kaurakaja and shaving and taking bath. So the Vyasa Puja, now coming in this way, Vyasa Puja Paddhati. First, that is called, you have to one Kumbha Puja. Kumbha means pitcher, colors. Put the water and all the holy water, put one pitcher. Kumbha. Kumbha understand? Huh? Vessel. That is called the Kumbha Puja. Kumbha means vessel or big pitcher. Put on the all the holy rivers, Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, Narmada, all holy river put in there. Kalas, there is called Kalasa Mukhe Brahma, Kante Rudra Samasrita, Kukkauto Sagara Sarve, Sarva Deepa Vasundhara. This mantra is there. Which mantra? We worship the vessel. As he Kalasa Mukhe Brahma. Brahmaji, he remains in front of Kalash. Kanthe Rudra. Rudra means Shivji. Shivji is staying in the Kantha Samasrita. Akakutu Sagara. Sagara means all the oceans. And Sapta Samudra. How many ocean? 7 ocean. And all water of the ocean in this vessel. And serve it in Sapta Deepa Vasundhara. In this way, first you have to establish Kumbha, vessel or and you put some ingredients and flowers or what is called and perfume and the colors this mouth of flower put the bind with the thread, red thread, and this red thread also bind with betel nuts, turmeric, not turmeric, not powdered turmeric, complete turmeric, bind with this way, and also green grass. There's some rules are there also. How will worship Kumbha? Then put put one coconut and that coconut cover with the cloth, dhuti or gamcha. And this is the prayer. And put one also betel nut leaves one. And we put in some til called black and black sesame. And this one. And also kumkum, even ingredients also. And with this mantra is important. And kalasya mukhe brahma, kanthe rudra samasrita, kokhutu sagara sarve sarva deepa, a sapta deepa vasundhara. Then also read the and water. Then Om Kurmaya Namaha, Om Mundukaya Namaha, Om Kalagni Rudraya Namaha, Om Adhara Saptaye Namaha, Om Mula Prakritte Namaha, Om Bhummi Namaha, Om Anantaya Namaha, Om Payonidhaye Namaha, Om Sitadipaya Namaha, Om Kalpaviksha Badikai Namaha, Om Ratnamandapaya Namaha. In this way, they do puja, offering one petals of the flowers, and then give one drop of Ganga Jal. Iti asanam sampujya dharmayanamo. Asan puja, give one asan in front of Kalash vessel and put some flowers and Om Asana Namaha. They also invite to all the demigod, they sit. And this is very nice. Asana puja, dharmaya nama, Agni ko, Isan, Agni, Nadit, and Vayu. Indra devata, Adharmaya nama, Indra, Ajnana nama, Jammui, Vairagyi nama, and Ushajai, Anishtajai namaha, Uttari Padvaya namaha, Pita Madhye, Dharmakandara namaha, Gyana Lilaya namaha, Vairagya karne ke namaha. Okay. And main mantra इधर क्या ओम नमः भगवते महाविष्णुवे सर्वभूत आत्मने वासुदेव सर्वभूत आत्म संयुगे जुगपीठस्तनात्मने नमः. Then पुष्पांजलि इति कृष्णाय दत्वा आवाहनं षोडशोपचार पूज्यात् अनुष्ठानं दशमुद्रायां प्रदर्शयेत्. ओम श्री हिं ओम विमलाय नमः, ओम कमलाय नमः, ओम उत्कर्षय नमः, ओम ज्ञानशक्ते नमः, ओम क्रियाशक्ते नमः, ओम योगशक्ते नमः, ओम प्रभावै नमः, ओम सत्ताय नमः, ओम अनुग्रहाय नमः. ओम नमो भगवते महाविष्णवे सर्वभूत आत्मने वासुदेवाय सर्व आत्म संयोग योग पद्म पीठात्मने नमः. In this way, do puja. Then Krishna Dhyan. Then Then that is called now coming actual. This is Vyasa Puja, that is called Vyasa Panchakam. What do you mean? Vyasa Panchakam. Actual origin, that is called Krishna, who is the supreme personality of Godhead. For this regard, and first worship lotus feet of Krishna. And then Om Namo Bhagavate, Om Vasudevaya Namaha, Om Sankarshanaya Namaha, Om Pradyumnaya Namaha, Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Iti Krishna Panchaka. So Krishna and Chaturbhuha. In Dwarka, how many Chaturbhuha? 4. Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. That is called Chaturbhuha. Or Krishna is there. And so first Krishna Puja, then Vasudev or Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. This 5 is called Krishna Panchakam. Then Vyasa Panchakam. Vyasa Panchakam, that is called Krishna Dvaipan Vedavyas, see Vedavyasaya Namaha. And Vasudev Goswami's 4 disciples. Remember. How many? 4. This is also neat. And Vasudev Goswami's 4 disciples. And that is called Poila, Vaishampan, Jaimini or Sumanta. Vasudev, he also gave all the Vedas mantra in his 4 disciples. And 4 Vedas. So he gave all these Vedas in the hand of his 4 disciples. So for this regard, Vyasa Panchakam, Vasudev Goswami and his 4 disciples. Poila, Vaishampan, Jaimini or Sumanta. Acharya Panchakam. And Acharya is Sukdev Goswami. Then Sukacharya Bhonama. Then Acharya Panchakam, first this is called Sukacharya. Then Vaishnava Siddhanta. Ramanujarya, then Ramanujarya, Madhacharya, Vishnu Swami and Nimbaditya. That is called Acharya Panchakam. Just remember these things. Acharya Panchakam first, that is called Sukadev Goswami. Or Sukadev Goswami's in the then coming Vaishnav 4 Sampradaya, 4 Vaishnav Acharya, Ramanujarya, Madhacharya, Nimbaditya or Vishnu Swami. Then Sanak Panchakam, there is Sanat Kumar. Sanat Kumar first, that is called Abhisheksanaya Namaha. Then Om Sanakaya Namaha, Om Sanat Kumaraya Namaha, Om Sanatanaya Namaha, Om Sanandaya Namaha, Om Abhisheksanaya Namaha. That is called Sanakadi Panchakam. Om Abhisheksanaya. So, then Acharya Panchakam. and Gurudev, Guru Parampara. That's called Guru Parampara Panchakam. And so many gurus. Many gurus are not. So he will worship you, which guru, not guru. If you not guru, another guru, you will become upset. Oh, you do not worship any. For this regard, Krishna, Guru Parampara Panchakam. Every disciple, they worship their own guru. Mad Guru, Jagat Guru. What do you say? Mad Guru, Jagat Guru, Mannatha, Jagannatha. Jagannath means is what? Who is the supreme and controller of the universe? Here Jagannath means not Jagannath Puri, this Jagannath Dev not say. Mad Guru, Jagat Guru. Every disciple are thinking, my Gurudev is Jagat Guru. When you give joy, there is joy, Jagat Guru. Every disciple are thinking this. So Mad Guru, Jagat Guru. Or Mannatha, Jagannatha. Nath means master. My master is the master of universe. Is the supreme. That is Krishna. For this regard, he has explained every disciple, they worship their own guru. I will guru, your guru, I did not worship his guru, then they become upset. So for this regard, Guru, Om Guru Bhe Namah. Apne, worship your own guru. Or every Guruji are my Vaishnava. So there are no difference Guru and Vaishnava, Vaishnava and Guru. So first Gurabhe Namaha. Then after Param Gurubhe Namaha. One Guru, then Param Guru, then Parameshti Guru, Paratpar Guru, then Namaha. Brahma Vidyang Sampradang Kartar iti Guru Panchakam. Guru Puja is very simple. First worship your own Guru, where you receive from your Diksha mantra. It's simple. Then worship Param Gurudev. Then worship Parameshti Guru. Then Paratpar Guru. Adi Sampradaya Rudra Kartaraha Brahma Vidyam Sampradaya Kartaraha Sri Guru Panchakam. So, first Guru Panchakam. So, how many? Actually, forget. Guru Puja. First own Guru, then Param Guru, then Parameshti Guru, then Paratpar Guru. Fourth or fifth Guru, and there is Sampradaya, all Sampradayas. Sampradayas Guru. Brahma Vidyang Sampradayam Kartara iti Guru Panchakam. There is another stage. These stages are all Sampradayas Guru. Understand it? Are many Guru, many Sampradayas Guru. So give the offering this. Here is saying this. Brahma Vidya Sampradayam Kartaraha iti Guru Panchakam. First, Guru Param. You had a Guru Parampara Panchakam. How Guru Parampara? 5 stages of Guru. First Guru, Diksha Guru. Where do you receive from? Diksha mantra, from that is called Guru. So that is called Guru Bhe Namah. Then Param Gurudev, Parameshti Gurudev, then Paratpar Gurudev, then Brahma Vidyam, all Gurudev. And huh? Are all Guru Brahma Vidyam Sampradayam Kartaroha. Any Sampradaya Guru. Any Sampradaya, four Sampradaya. Yeah, Vaishnav Sampradaya and all. Yes. If I did not give respect to other gurus, so the last I also, what is saying? Taking flowers and offering. So all Guru Dev. Huh? Many people are coming. Eh? How many gardeners if you give? Your everything is a limit or not? Okay, give. Then you take our flowers and say, all Vaishnava, all Guru Vaishnava. Now how possible to give to everybody one garland? And who is coming, when is not coming? Okay, so. Guru Bhenam. Up Guru Bhenam. Samasta Guru Bhenam. So for this regard, he is writing the Pratpar Guru Bhenam, then Antame, in the last saying, Brahma Vidyam Sampradaya Kartaroho, iti Guru Panchakam. Because in our Sampradaya, who is coming, who is not coming? All Guru? No. Vaishnava Samatam, Krishna Panchakam, Vyasa Panchakam, Vyasiki Panchakam, Sanatakadi Panchakam, Acharya Panchakam, iti Guru Puja. Then Tattva Panchakam, again come. And Panchatattva, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda, Advaita, Gadadhar, or Srivasadi. That is called Panchatattva. Tattva Panchakam. Tattva Panchakam, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Chaitanya Prabhu, Chaitanya, as who is every day you are Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita, Gadadhar, Srivasadi, Gaura Bhakta Bindu. Srivasadi Bhakta Bindu Bho Nama. This is very simple. Every day you are doing kirtan this way. That is called Tattva Panchakam. Panchatattva. Vaikantiki, Gaudiya Vaishnava, Tattva Panchakam, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Nityananda, Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar, Srivas. Because this Tattva Panchakam, those who are Gaudiya Vaishnava. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are Ramana Sampradaya, they are not doing this. Other Sampradaya, they are not doing. Only those who are in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are doing. Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Siddha Gadadhar, Srivasadi, Sri Gaura Bhakta. So for this regard, Vaikantik Vaishnav Asrita Panchatattvam. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur written in there. चलो अस्मदीय पक्षे विशेषभावे श्री दामोदर स्वरूप दामोदर रूप गोस्वामी सनातन रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी श्री गोपाल भट्ट कृष्णदास कविराज भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर गोविंद दास बाबाजी महाराज भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद सर्व दिव्यो गणेभ्यो नमः.
How many groups?
Huh?
7 groups?
7.
6 groups. So now 6.
Now 7. 7, 7, 35, and all they are there.
You said 6. No? So now Panchatattva is 6.
Panchatattva 6. No. First, that is called Vyas, what is called? Krishna Panchakam. Then Vyasa Panchakam. Suk Panchakam. Then Sanak Panchakam. Sanakadi Acharya Panchakam. Then Acharya Panchakam. 4 Acharyas. Ramanacharya, Madhacharya, Vishnu Swami, Nimbaditya. Vyasa Vaishnavasitam Sanatanam. Gurubhe Namah. Vaishnavasitanam Samatam Sri Krishna Panchakam, Vyasa Panchakam, Vyasaki Panchakam, Sanakadi Panchakam, Guru Acharya Panchakam. This is the coming the Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Sanakadi Chatushan or Visaksan is there. So that is called Sanak Panchakam. Krishna Panchakam. Then Krishna Panchakam, the Krishna and 4 Kumara, 4 Chaturbhuha. Vasudev, Sankarshan, Padmuna, Aniruddha. That is called कृष्ण एंड यदि कृष्ण के सम्मुख है वो वासुदेव वासुदेव संकर्षण प्रद्युम्न अनिरुद्ध बिकॉज दो देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन कृष्ण एंड वासुदेव बट वासुदेव हियर इज एंड मथुरा और द्वारका who is origin Krishna Varnandana Samsung. For this regard, Krishna is taken there. Krishna. So for the Krishna's 4 expansions, Vasudev, Sankarshan and Pradyumna and Anuruddha. For this regard, Krishna Panchakam. Here, Sri Krishna Panchakam. Then Krishna Sadhakane Vyasa Panchakam. Vyasa Panchakam, Vyasadeva Goswami and his 4 disciples. Then Suk, Vyasaki Panchakam Acharya. Suk Acharya, so the Ramanacharya, Madhacharya, Vishnu Swami, because 4 Vaishnava Sampradaya. Actually, these Sampradayas, especially Ramanuja Sampradayas, they taking the Sukdev Goswami, but their Suk or Shukacharya or in our Vaishnava Sampradaya Sukdev Goswami different. Ramanuja Sampradayas, this Shukacharya, that one very excellent Vaishnava appeared, his name called Shukacharya. They are thinking he is the incarnation of Suk. Suk means parrot. there is one mantra is there also. And they are thinking. Our Sukacharya Sukdev Goswami. And यदि शुकाचार्यभ्यो नमः इति वैष्णव सिद्धांतम, रामानुचार्यभ्यो नमः, मध्वाचार्यभ्यो नमः, विष्णु स्वामिभ्यो नमः और निमादित्य आचार्य पंचकम। देन कृष्ण पक्ष के सनकादि पंचकम, देन गुरु परंपरा, Guru Panchakam. There are many gurus, but for this regard, Guru Panchakam. Huh? Which one? Sanak Sanandan Sanatan did the airport. Sanakas. सोनक आदि नहीं, सनक सनक आदि पंचकम, आचार्य पंचकम। दिस सोनक और सनक डिफरेंस है। फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड, सोनक आदि ऋषि, देयर ऋषि है, और सनक चतुष्सन है। Son of Sanandan, Sanatan and Sanat Kumar. They are manifested Brahma's mind, that is called Brahma's Manas Putra. One thing they are taking the Sukacharya Bhona. So this Sukacharya, they are thinking he is the incarnation of Suk. Actually, there is one person. We are who spoke Srimad Bhagavad Katha to Parikshit Maharaj. That Sukdev Goswami or Sukacharya, actual difference. You understand? Name is same, but difference. Because Sukdev Goswami Pad, who spoke Srimad Bhagavad Katha to Parikshit Maharaj, in previous life he was Srimati Radhika Suk. Or Sukacharya, I think he came in Ramanuja Sampradaya after many years. And that Sukacharya or Sukdev Goswami Pad are not same person. You understand or not? If you read Gaudiya philosophy darshan, Gaudiya darshan explain this way. But Ramanuja Sampradaya, they believe that Sukacharya is the incarnation of Sukdev. Understand? This is the thing. But difference. Either Ramanuja, the C Sampradayas. Ours is that we are saying that they are Srimati Radhikas. Radhika's very nearest, dearest parrot. Srimati Radhika herself. To chanted this mantra. Which mantra? And Krishna mantra. And Srimati Radhika said, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, He Krishna, He Jadava, He Sakheti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Because this, our Sukdev Goswami, who spoke Srimad Bhagavad Katha, and he is Rasik Vaishnava. Rasik Vaishnava means who glorified about all the Rasa Tattva is there. Or that Shukacharya is Ramanuja Sampradaya. Some people are thinking both are same, but both are not same. Huh? So Sri Sampradayas, they are thinking he is the incarnation of Sukadeva Goswami. But since Sukadeva Goswami Pad is same, but how possible Sukadeva Goswami Pad he will speak about Ras Lila Katha and other tattva. If it is same, because they are Ramanujarya, they are Nishtha with Ramchandra, and they are Sampradaya that we call Dasaras. Ram worshipping to Lord Ramchandra, that is called Dasaras. Dasa Pradhan Santo. You understand? Because Rasavichar is Vaikuntha Dham. Santa Pradhan Dasa. Santa Ras, that is called prominent. And Dasa Ras, that is called secondary. And Ajodhya Ramchandra, the Dasa Ras, that is called prominent. And Shanta Ras, that is called secondary. And that even in Ajodhya there are Dasa Ras. That is called Suddha Dasa. Why Suddha Dasa? That's the opulence mode. Dasa Bhav, when Dasa Bhav coming, servitual mode coming, Dasa Bhav, he is master, I am his servant. Prabhu and Das. What is all? Prabhu and he is master. He is the supreme. And another Dasa Bhav in Golok Vrindavan, that is called Rakta Patrak. They are also Dasa Bhav. But that Dasa Bhav, they are not thinking. Rakta Patrak, they are not thinking. We are the servant of Krishna. Krishna Das, they are not thinking this. All they are thinking? We are the servant of Nanda Maharaj. Dasa Bhav is there, but different ways. So Rakta Patrak, Dasa Bhav. In Golok Vrindavan, Dasa Bhav is there. That Dasa Bhav or Ajodhya Dasa Bhav not same, different. You understand or not? Hanuman Dasa. Hanuman he is the perfect example of Shuddha Dasa. Pure servitual mood. Ramchandra he is Bhagavan. Without Bhagavad Buddhi, Dasa Bhav will not come. Dasa means I am servant. I am insignificant. Or he the supreme. You understand? When Dasa Bhav comes, Hanuman he also carried to Ram and Lakshman and on his shoulder. But Hanuman always is thinking, my feet not touch Ramchandra's anybody. He is Bhagavan. Ramchandra, he is Bhagavan. Kandhe Chadai. Hanuman, he also carried to Ramchandra on his shoulder. Try to compare. Subal Siddham, they also took Ramchandra, Krishna on his shoulder. Both are shoulder. But different mode is kind. Subal Siddham, they are not thinking. Even their feet, even their hands, what is going they do? They are giving their remnants of. Subal Siddham, they also giving their own remnants to Krishna. But in Ajodhya, any devotees of Ajodhya, they will not give their remnants to Ramchandra. Where they know Ramchandra is Bhagavan. Bhagavad Buddhi. So Dasa, when so far this rasa is called Suddha Dasa. You understand? So why am I saying? Because this Sukacharya or Sukadeva Goswami not same actually. But Ramanuja Sampradayas, they are saying that both are same. But for this regard, that Gauriya Darshan, this Prabhupada is also cut this philosophy. How possible this both are same?
Is this Maharaj in Ramanuja Sampradaya, this Sukacharya? What's this?
There is Sampradaya, one Acharyas came in their Guru Parampara. Understand? So they are thinking that Sukacharya is the incarnation of Sukadeva. They are saying also this. Every Sampradaya they can say. They are saying this. That one sloka is also there. Actually, this sloka is not written by Vasudev Goswami. Some they also Panditas have created one sloka. Pandita, those who are Pandit, they can create any sloka. Very easy. But we will accept that the sloka which is composed by, but compiled by Vasudev Goswami. Vasudev Goswami written or not? Vasudev Goswami written only about Sukadeva Goswami, who is the very near parrot of Srimati Radhika. And that Suk parrot appeared in the form of Sukadeva Goswami. So Sukadeva Goswami and Sukacharya not same. Understand? But they are thinking the same. So for this regard, they cut this project. And Sukadeva Goswami spoke Srimad Bhagavad Katha in the assembly house of Parikshit Maharaj. At that Sukacharya, Ramanuja Sukacharya, he came maybe after many years. He came maybe, I don't know, the mention is there. So remember, Sukacharya and Sukadeva Goswami, Ramanuja Sampradaya, Sukacharya, or Srimad Bhagavatam, who spoke Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami, not same person. But they are thinking same. Okay. Every Sampradaya, what they are saying, same. What to do? So this is not our subject actually, just imagine.
Sukacharya of the Panchaka, in this case, Sukadeva Goswami. So in this Panchaka, Sukadeva Goswami is Sukadeva.
Suka Acharya Bhanaman. They are saying the position second.
No, but for us, we consider Sukadeva Goswami.
Are you will give respect to their position or not? Yes, of course it is.
For us, this Sukacharya.
Acharya Panchakam.
Acharya Panchakam. Krishnottar Acharya Panchakam Sukacharya Bho Nama. Iti Vaishnava Siddhantam Prabhutam Ramanujarya. Ramanujarya Sampradaya. They accept.
Okay, this is the
Ramanujarya Sampradaya they accept. But Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati with Sukadeva Goswami or Sukacharya not same. But they, or the Ramanujarya Sampradaya, they are thinking he is the incarnation of Sukadeva Goswami. They are thinking. Okay, just you were thinking your Gurudev Raman Manjari. Every Vaishnava they accept or not? No. If you go to the other temple, they will not accept. But half.
I hear this thing.
Huh?
I hear this thing.
Pardon?
I hear this thing about you and talking.
People are they don't believe. You believe.
Yes.
Your Nishtha with Gurudev, you will believe, yes, my Gurudev is that he is Raman Manjari. If you go other, even in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, they don't believe. They don't believe what happened. You believe this is Aram. You understand? If you go to the others, they don't believe. I know many also they also debating how possible. No, believe, no believe, whatever.
It's not our business.
And this is not our
Business.
business. And you understand it now? Now you thinking, my Gurudev is this, also everybody have to Except you cannot say this. Because everybody except this is the way where the addition. Who wrote the गौर गणदेश दीपिका और राधा गणदेश दीपिका कभी करना को people every Vaishnava will accept even our Gauri Vaishnava and Kavi Karnapur written or not. Are Kavi Karnapur at that time it's not in there. So therefore they don't do it. Because the argument.
How is going to write for now? What he wrote, okay. But then for future the acharya purpose.
So what will do? Your belief that is the enough. They believe no what do you? Even they are any acharya, no? If they say, oh my Gurudev this, you believe or not? Then you have to hire the written in their shastra. Because everybody want to know about the evidence from shastra, but everything you will not get from the shastra. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote his own Sarup. What did he write? Kamal Manjari. So all Vaishnavas, in our all Vaishnava except.
Under the guidance of Bhaktivinoda.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Those are under Bhaktivinoda Thakur. If the other Sampradaya, Babaji Sampradaya, they don't believe. They don't believe. No believe to what happened. If you go to the Babaji Sampradaya, they don't believe. The Bhaktivinoda Thakur is Kamal Manjari. But we believe or not?
Yes.
100%. No doubt. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur, we believe in Bhaktivinoda Thakur, 7th Goswami. Others, they don't believe only 6 Goswami. Why you saying the 7 Goswami? They will argument or not? Try to understand. Your belief, that is the best. What we believe, they believe, no believe, so what happens? So for this regard, this what is it? Madhguru Jagadguru Mannatha Jagannatha. You believe by Gurudev, no believe, so what happened, man? I believe, that is enough. You understand this philosophy? Yes. So for this regard, my Bhaman Goswami Maharaj always use this word. Madhguru, Jagadguru, Mannatha, Jagannatha. Madhguru is Jagadguru. Other everybody say, how possible he is Jagadguru? But he is saying that Madhguru is Jagadguru. Every disciple, even the impartiality of thinkings, especially nowadays he is so much strong about importance. Shankaracharya, Bho Namah, Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Even those who are coming in the line of Shankaracharya, they are taking the place. Shankaracharya's name is Adi Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya who is? Shankara Sakshat. Then in this line, those who are coming, also their name is there. Understand? You cannot complain about it. And in front of Gaudiya Vaishnava, they think, oh, he is impartialist. Understand? He is impartialist, Advaitavadi. These things. You understand this discussion? But they have faith. Adi Guru Shankaracharya. First to understand yourself. Then what people are saying, not saying, this is not our subject. Who are coming this way? My Guru, no, my Guru is best, or your Guru, bogus. For this quarrel is coming. Because they don't give the respect to others' Guru. And so when you give respect to everybody, that time no quarrel will come. Quarrel coming from where? From this side. I try to understand this way. And people misguide those others. Everybody saying, my Gurudev is And best Guru. Okay, your Gurudev best Guru. No problem. But you should have no right to criticize to others' Guru. Your faith with your Guru. Okay, you are saying my Guru is the best Guru. Why not? Is it true? So why you saying that others' Guru are Bhagat Guru? So the question is coming then, are you are you bona fide? Then ask to him. Then he will no, I am not bona fide. Oh, who are you? You are Bhagas. So you are speaking that of Bhagas also. First you become bona fide. Then you tell. If you are not bona fide, so why you justify to others? You understand? So this is the question. So for this, you have no need to quarrel. Quarrel is coming this way. And my Gurudev is the best Guru. Okay. This is acceptable. Acceptable. Okay. Because this is the rules. Every disciple thinking, my Gurudev best. Okay. I know. So saying this, Mad Guru, Jagat Guru. Okay. But he cannot say others Guru are bogus. He cannot say this. Do you understand this? If you then you ask to him again, you are speaking, are you bona fide? Then automatically he will say, no. If you are not bona fide, so what you are speaking, that is also not bona fide. Understand? Quarreling coming from this. Everybody is quarreling.
Yeah.
This is the nature. Give respect to others who is bona fide, unbona fide. And when sun rises, you can see. You understand? Not understand. And how sun gives the heat up. How do you know? When sun rises, the rays of sun coming, then you understand. This is the Siddhanta. And sun, night time one thinking, and they're quarreling. What is the sun? Sun give a ray, what is called? Heat or give cool. Both persons they are quarreling. One is saying, no, sun gives so much cool. And one the sun is giving so much heat. They are quarreling each other. Then when morning, when sun rises, then you understand. Sun gives the rays of sun cool or heat. Sun rises. Just wait for the moment of the sunrise. So, in the same way, this is the best Siddhanta. No need to quarrel. Quarreling, then everything destroyed. So saying the quote, and tarkat apatishtanat. And you do bhajan and sadhan, then will be realized. You do bhajan and sadhan. When you become bona fide, then you understand. Understand? When I first met with your Gurudev in Mathura, or sitting with all the devotees, then I just, after morning walk, Gurudev Nan Gurudev sitting on each chair. That time, just newcomer. Understand? 3-4 days maybe, just. Then I am sitting, then many devotees are sitting there. I little bit back. Then I told Gurudev, you are Uttam Bhagavat. What do you say? Gurudev, you are Uttam Bhagavat. Then Gurudev called me, come here. Then I afraid. Nan Goswami eyes and very strongly. I'm thinking, oh, maybe I spoke some wrong. Why did he say this? Then Gurudev called me. In my concept, I am afraid. Then Gurudev asked me, come here. How do you know I am Uttam Bhagavat? How do you know? Gurudev asked me in front of all the devotees. Then I afraid. My God, maybe I spoke some wrong. And Gurudev asked me, how do you know I am Uttam Bhagavat? That's why everybody is calling. They are saying. But they are saying another thing. You realize or not? Question is coming. So, you do bhajan and sadhan, then your realization will come. You understand? This is the process. And one word is called for the general. General, okay, all you are Vaishnava. All you are Vaishnava or not? One who receive Diksha mantra from Guru. Vishnu mantra is called Vaishnava. Who is called Vaishnava? Grihito Vishnu Dikkha Vishnu Puja Paro Nara. Tasmado Vaishnavo Avhito Asmat Avaishnava. That means simple meaning. One who receives Vishnu mantra from Guru is called Vaishnava. But which Vaishnava? Ramanujarya Vaishnava. Raman Sri Sampradaya Vaishnava. They are Vaishnava, four Vaishnava, Chattaro Vaishnava. Four Sampradaya Vaishnava, listen to it. How many Sampradaya Vaishnava? Vaishnava Sampradaya. Four Sampradaya. Sri, Brahma, Rudra, Sanat Sampradaya. So, among of these four Vaishnava Sampradaya, one who received this Vishnu mantra, he is called Vaishnava. This is general meaning or not? Those who are not receive Vishnu mantra, from these four Sampradaya, they are called Avaishnava. But one thing you cannot direct to tell to anybody, hey, you are Avaishnava. This is very rude. Understand? If anybody not taking this sound, hey, here the is Vaishnava, he is Avaishnava. You cannot say this one. But in this verse clearly explained. Grihito Vishnu Dikkha ko Vishnu Puja Paro Naraha. Grihito Vishnu Dikkha, Vishnu Puja Paro. But here the also Vishnu Puja Paro Sabda. Or when he is expert, skillfulness, to worship to Lord. But general meaning, one who received Diksha mantra from Guru, Vaishnava Sampradaya, he is called Vaishnava. But when you discuss the Vaishnava, which Vaishnava? Kanishta Adhikari Vaishnava, Madhyam Adhikari Vaishnava, Uttam Adhikari Vaishnava. Vaishnava category or not? One who is admitted in the school, he is called student. Student or not? He is student. But who is student? There is the different categories of student. Even a small baby going to the school, his name in the register. His student Vidyarthi, that's Sanskrit word they call, he is called Vala. Vidyarthi. What is he called? Vidyarthi. Vidyarthi, Vidyarthi. What is your Portuguese Vidyarthi? Student? You don't know? Huh? Huh? Aluno. Aluno.
Estudante ou aluno?
Students mean?
Estudante. Estudante. Student.
Students.
Estudante.
Okay. He's saying Alun?
Aluno also different.
No. Okay, Alun, nice name. Alun.
Aluno.
Eh? Small baby, 5 years old. His name in the school. Eh? He is Vidyarthi. He is a student. Or another student, MA PhD university student. Both are students. But different category or not? Now all they are same. So Vaishnava is saying those who receive Diksha, those who receive Vishnu mantra from Vaishnava. He is called Vaishnava. You cannot say he is a Vaishnava. He is Vaishnava. So all you are Vaishnava. Yes, and everybody is Vaishnava. Even also saying, Jives, how is it called? Hoya Chen, Hoi Ben, Prabhur Jato Das, Sabar Charana Bandhu, Dante Kari Das. They are singing, everybody is singing. Who is now, who is received mantra, he is Vaishnava. And I pay my obeisance, say Lord Vaishnava. And maybe future, who will become Vaishnava, also I pay my obeisance. Hoya Chen, Hoi Ben, Prabhur Jato Das, Sabar Charana Bandhu, Dante Kari Das. Or another is Jiva Matra Vishnu. All the living entities, they are the servant of Vishnu. They accept or not? Even the impersonalist. Understand? They are Vaishnava. We say, okay, they are also Vaishnava. But they don't believe they are Vaishnava. Because Vaishnava means Vishnu Das. They don't believe I am the servant of Krishna. You understand it? But Shastra is saying, all the living, Kyoha Manuk, Kyoha Mane, Kyoha Na Mane, Sab Chaitanya Das. Ajena Pape Sai Papitar, Hoy Sarvanas. Chaitanya Bhagavad. Kyoha Mane, Kyoha Na Mane, Sab Chaitanya Das. You accept or not accept, all you are the servant of Krishna. Jive Sarup Hoy, Krishna Nitya Das. You are thinking, I am impartialist. Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. Or you are not Brahma. You are the servant of Brahma. You understand? Impartially saying, Aham Brahmasmi. Or how you are not Brahma. You are not Brahma. You are the Brahmadas. Understand? So, for this regard, he said this way. Everybody actually the servant of Krishna, Krishna Das. Jeev Krishna Das, ei vishwas karle to aar bhoy nahi. With the faith, I am the servant of Krishna. Then you free from the fear. This is the process of. So for the Kyoha Mane, Kyoha Na Mane, Sab Chaitanya Das. You accept or not accept. And Hiranyakasipu, they are Asura. They are thinking, no, I am the servant of Krishna. I am not servant of Vishnu. But this is what it is. Hiranyakasipu, they Vishnu Das or not? Pardon? They are Joy Vision. Just they are acting the role. I am Bhagavan. Understand? Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakasipu, what they thinking? I am Bhagavan. As a Nrsimhadev when appeared, then Bhagavan finished. Nrsimhadev killed him to him. Nrsimhadev killed to Hiranyakasipu or not? So where is the Bhagavan now? Before you were thinking, I am Bhagavan. And killed all to the Brahmanas, all killed to those who worship Vishnu. Understand? You declare, Hiranyakashipu Bhagavan ki. I think this is a Torah. Hiranyakashipu is Bhagavan. He's saying himself, I am Bhagavan. And when Lord Nrsimhadev appeared from the what is it called? Pillar. And then where is Bhagavan? So for this, kyoho mane, kyoho na mane, sab chaitanya das. Understand this verse? Kyoho mane, kyoho na mane, sab chaitanya das. जगतेर पिता कृष्ण, जगतेर पिता कृष्ण, जेना भजे बाप पितृद्रोही पातके तार जन्म जन्म ताप. जगतेर पिता, the origin father Krishna. Jagater Pita Krishna. Jena bhaje bap. One who not worship the lotus feet of his father Krishna, then birth after birth he will suffer from the Maya. Yes, Jagater Pita Krishna. Jena bhaje bap. Pitridrohi patagirita janme janme tap. Actually, why I am saying, even the impartialists, they are Vaishnava. They don't believe they are Vaishnava. But they are Vaishnava or not? Lovely. Everybody, who is not Vaishnava? Everybody is Vaishnava. That they don't believe. To believe, not believe, what happened? You understand? You are Vaishnava or not? Everybody is Vaishnava. But Vaishnava is not saying, I am Vaishnava. This is another question. He is thinking, I am Dasanudasa, Vaishnava Dasana. Vitta, Vitta, Tad Vitta, Vittasya Smara, Loka, Natha. I am not Vaishnava. I am the servant of Vaishnava. Vaishnava Das. What is his name? Vaishnava Das. You understand? And you will never say, I am Vaishnava. What do you say? I am the servant of Vaishnava. Dasanu Das. Answer this. This is that thing. Chalo. Many Katha is speaking.
They will say that this is general. This is general meaning of Vaishnava.
Vaishnava. But when you what category then? Specific way, what categories are you Vaishnava? And which Sampradayas? Sampradayic Vaishnava. Yes, Sampradaya, 4 Sampradayas, not 5 Sampradayas. Because Padma Puran mention, Vyasdev Goswami mention 4 kinds of Vaishnava, 4 categories of 4 Sampradayas Vaishnava. Sampradaya Vihina Mantraste Vipala Mata Sri Brahma Rudra Sanaka Iti Khiti Pavana. Chattara Vaishnava. Chattara 4 Vaishnava Sampradaya, not 5. Nowadays many people creating 5th Sampradayas. And they mix another Sampradaya, they mix the 4 Sampradaya, they mix one Sampradaya. Many things people do. What is you? If you read, they are also saying many things. And mention what Vyasdev Goswami read, you have to accept. Vyasdev Goswami read how many Sampradaya? 4 Sampradaya. Yes, and Sri Brahma Rudra Sanaka, Sri Brahma Rudra Sanaka Iti Chattara Khiti Pavana Sampradaya Vihina Mantraste Vipala Mata Sri Brahma Rudra Sanaka Iti Khiti Pavana Kalu Chattara Sampradaya. Kalu means in this Kali Yuga. है इन दिस कलियुग और संप्रदाय कथायुग. This was written by Srila Vyasdev Goswami. What Vyasdev is written, you have to accept. About Advaitavadi, they think of Vyasdev and his book. Vyas Bhranta bole uthai lo vivad. Vyas sutre koriyache parinam bad. Vyas sutre koriyache parinam bad. Vyas Bhranta boli uthai lo vivad. Advaitavadi, they are saying, you Vyasdev, what is written, this is not the perfect. Understand? But what thing is written? That is not perfect. There is Parinambad. Vyas Sutre Koriyache Parinambad. Listen very carefully. What is it? Vyas Sutre Koriyache Parinambad. Parinambad means the doctrine of transformation. Parinambad. Parinambad, understand? Once things is transferred with another substance, that is called Parinambad. That the milk transfer in yogurt. But yogurt cannot transfer in milk. That's the written this is Parinambad. So Vyas Sutre Koriyache Parinambad. So for what? So Advaitavadi, they don't accept this Parinambad. And the doctrine of transformation. Because if they accept the doctrine of Parinambad, they cannot establish their own philosophy. You understand? This is the thing. So what is Vyasdev written in here, Parinambad? Very clearly explained Vyasdev. So why you are not accepting? Oh, this is Vyasdev, his buddhi kharab ho gaya. He less intelligent. I am best intelligent. Are Vyasdev written Ved, Puran, Upanishad? You cannot write one grantha, this is very difficult. Or Vyasdev, how many granthas he wrote? Even you cannot read also. You cannot count the name of the granthas also. How many granthas Vyasdev he wrote? Or Advaitavadi, they are saying, oh, Vyas Buddhi Vrashta. This is called offense, aparad. And so the Vyas Bhranta boli uthai lo vivad. Vyas Sutre Koriyache Parinambad. That's the very clearly. Sa ikkata. Yes? That means he looks. He looks means he has eyes. You have eyes or not? So you are looking. Blind man cannot see. But Vyasdev will say, he looks. That means he has eyes. That means Lord has eyes. But how his eyes? But the Lord's eyes is that got transcendental eyes. So saying, that's the Vedanta Sutra written. So ikkata, so ikkata. He looks. He looks to whom? Here many people are sitting. So I am looking or not? You are looking or not? So, but they are saying, well, no, Lord has no form. No eyes, no hands, no legs. Apani, Padu, Javana, Gahita. He has no hands. He has no legs. That's the also written this verse actually. Apani, Padu, Javana, Gahita. He has no legs, but he walks. That means he has transcendental legs. This is a simple one. He does not eat in daytime, but he is very fat. How is he getting fat? He is not eating. He says he does not eat daytime. दिन में खाते नहीं. but he is very fat. So he is not eating daytime. This is true. Eh? So when he is eating? Night time. Eh? He is not eating or he become very fat. That means he eats what time? Daytime not eating. Eh? Understand this? Night time he is eating. Eh? That's many people, they are not eating. Some they are also celebration going on. Eh? Daytime not eating. 1 month they are not eating daytime. And sunrise to sunset they are not eating. After sunset they are eating. Night time they are eating. So day and night. But here saying he does not eat daytime. Devadatta Ma Diva Bhunjit. Devadatta means one person name is called Devadatta. He does not eat daytime, but he is very stool, he is very fat. So that means he eats what time? Night time. So in the same way, Lord has no eyes, Lord has no legs, but he walks, but he looks. That means he has eyes, but his eyes called transcendental eyes, aparakita choksh. Dibba choksh. Lord eyes, that is called transcendental eyes. Our eyes, that is called material eyes. Our Lord eyes called transcendental eyes. Barha Piram Natabu Karnu Karnikaram Vibratavasu Kanakapshan Jintamalam Randranavena Radha Sudapurana Gopa Vrindai Dindaranang Savadaravanang Pravisatagiri Kirti. And Lord is beautiful form. But impartially saying, oh Lord has no form. Why your form is coming? From your father. Your father picture and your picture put side by side. Some similarity will come. In the same way, your father picture and put your grandfather picture. Similarity will come. Your grandfather picture put and your great grandfather picture put. Similarity come. So in this way, father, his father, his father, his father. So your origin father is who is our origin father? Krishna, Bhagavan. For the Bible, this word is very what is called authentic, no? Pramani, meaning that is called evidence. God created man after his own image. After his own image, he creates all the living entities. But finally, he creates the human being. A human being. So God created man after his own image. Evidence. Or Vedas, Purana also, Srimad Bhagavata explains this. God, he creates Srishti Tattva. God creates and one legs animals, one legs human, what is called? Living entities, 2 legs living entities, and 1 leg living entities, who are they? Trees. And trees are standing one place. So 1 leg, 2 legs, human beings, and many kinds of birds. How many legs are the birds? 2. Dipad. Chatuspad. Then he also get the 4 legs, 4-legged and living entities, and cats, dogs, cows, tiger. Then he also created the 6-legged animals, 6 legs also living entities. Who has 6 legs? Satpadi. Are Black Bee. Srimati Radhika Singh. Hey Satpadi. And Srimati Radhika, she did not utter and blackly. What is saying? Hey, Satapadi. Satapadi means Satapadi. Satapadi means 6 legs. And 8 legs, then Lord also created the 8 legs. Who is he? Who has 8 legs? Spider. And Bahupadi, many legs also there. And that is called, what do you call this? Walking. Many also. Centipede. Many also there. As like big rail train going on, many legs. You have seen or not? Walking. And sometimes they enter in your ears. Bahupadi. But Lord is not satisfied. Then Lord God, He creates the human being as like Him. Manav Jan. Jalajal Avalaksani Stavala Laksavinsati Krimaya Rudra Sankhaka. Krimaya Rudra Sankhaka. 20 Lakshani Pasava. 30 Lakshani, 10 Lakshani Pakshina. Chatur Lakshani Manava. In this way, 84 lakhs. 8.4 billion pieces He creates. Now we are here. Human being only 400,000. 4 lakh manusya. Look this. And 4 lakhs human being. Also many kinds of their nature also. To be nonsense acts. Complete rakshas. Narakhadak. Narakhadak, understand? They are eating the human being. Catch you and that's it. And like you are eating and pakoda. Catch you and eat. Without cooking. Just catch you and eat. Still also in this now is the age of science. Now the age of computer, very advanced. But still many people also there. They are eating the human being. Catch it and eat. They are eating also many things. Snake, everything also eat. Monkey, and even those who are walking in the walking on the wall are there.
Every space have ice.
Lizard are there, very soft to their body.
Gecko.
They catching and eating. Very easy.
And snacks.
Many people. You go internet. I will not tell the name, then they will be upset. Many people. Steel also there. Steel is called the advanced age. Science age. Aging. Oh, there. This is too wrong. So, they eat the snake. Scorpion. Scorpion. Biting. Nice pakoda. Cockroach. Everything is there. So they are called also human being. But who analyze who is called human being? Real human being, that is called Mukulita Cheta. Yesterday we discussed. Achadita Chetan, Sankuchita Chetan, then Vikasita Chetan, no, Mukulita Chetan, Vikasita Chetan and Purna Vikasita Chetan. Mukulita Chetan, Vikasita Chetan, Purna Vikasita, that is called human being. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur analyzed everything. Very nice. So chalo. What would speak in this? So tomorrow will be worship Acharya Panchakam. Last time also did it, 2 years before. And put small flag and put the Nama. Okay. Good Premanand. What the one also they gave the one a nice beautiful chart. Forget maybe in my book. Chart. You know, very nice chart. Vyasa Puja Paddhati. As well, this Vyasa Puja Paddhati, this manifested Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Then Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada very nicely explained. Good Premanand. Satkriya Sadhin ka last chapter, Bhaktivinoda Thakur also Vyasa Puja Paddhati. Understand? Oh, you have to go, no? What time? To dentist again. Okay. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Shri. Tomorrow is very special experience. That is called also. What is called? Mauni Amavasya. And Gurudev appearance day and also Mauni Amavasya. Mauni Amavasya everybody and celebrate. And Gurudev appearance day, not everybody celebrate. Not everybody celebrate. Only his disciples celebrate. They are bona fide. Those who not celebrate, they are not bona fide. And other temples. Chaitanya Mahadev, do or not? Gurudev Vyasa Puja? No. We are doing. So that you cannot say those who are not or Gurudev Vyasa Puja, they are no. Negative, no need to tell. Always to speak the positive. Negative tell, then quarrel will come. Always tell the positive. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Not in 30. Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai.
Shila Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj ki jai.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,